Ooh, yes, it is time to take down on my barrel bob, y'all. Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What is going on, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. I don't know when you're watching this video. It is time for me to take down my barrels. My barrel bob. Yes, it still looks good. Look at her. So many people really like this hairstyle, but it's time for me to see what these girls talking about. Y'all, I know y'all saw how big those scissors were that I'm going to use on my hair. I do use them, but not as much as I thought I was going to use them. It was pretty easy. It was pretty easy for me to find the rubber bands toward the front of my hair, especially because I'm looking at myself. But when I got to the back, I needed a little help. First of all, do y'all see these curls? Baby girl. Now, as you saw at the beginning of the video, and as you'll see a little later on, some of my locks are straight while others have more bounce to them, okay? And that is because if you saw my first video of this type of series, I literally have to wrap my locks around the lock. So one of the locks will inevitably be straighter than the rest. You know what I'm saying? Now, this style, as I'm unraveling it, definitely makes me want to try flexi rods or curlers again, like a perm rods or something, because I want to see what my hair looks like full of these curly fry curls. You know what I'm saying? So more to come with that. More to come. Y'all, I lost my iPhone. And if you did not know, I use an iPhone to record these videos. I do not use my actual cell phone to record these videos. So I was just like, well, I guess I won't be posting this Sunday. But look at God. I'm posting this Sunday. Now, what time on Sunday this video go up, I don't know because I got to make up from lost time. But nevertheless, I found my iPhone, and maybe I just need to do a better job of prepping videos for the week. I don't know, but the weeks, I be busy, y'all. So I can't really record as much as I want to. And plus, I don't be knowing what to record half the time. Y'all ain't gave me no ideas yet. So I'll be standing by waiting to hear from y'all. What would you like to see next? Because if y'all leave it up to me, honey, I don't know. You may get a 5-minute video, a 2-minute video, or a no-minute video. But that's neither here nor there. As you see, I have not taken out the rubber bands at the top of my head where my roots are. You can go ahead and take those out if you would like. I ended up taking mine out, I think maybe like a week later. And that's because I was trying to keep this retwist looking fresh as long as possible. I'm a gym girly, okay? But I'm also a sweat girly, and my scalp is one of the first things to start sweating. And if I did not keep those rubber bands in my hair, what retwist, okay? After that first workout session, what retwist? So that's why I decided to keep my rubber bands in an additional week. Now, as I'm doing this voiceover, I've had these same curls for about 2 weeks now, and baby, curls still bouncing. Now they are dropping, but they still look super good. But that's the thing about locks. It will hold a curl, at least some type of form of wave or some type of bounce, until you saturate your hair in water, whether you wash it or literally dunk your head in the pool or something like that. And I appreciate it. Because, baby, look at me. Random question. How do y'all feel about springing forward? All right. How'd y'all feel about it this morning? Y'all all right? Did y'all miss church? I hope you didn't. But if you did, don't worry, because I'm about to tell you about what I've been reading in the book of John. But before we get into that, y'all, I was not expecting to spring forward this morning. I'm so happy. Where did I go yesterday? I went to a winery yesterday and was talking to our server. Her name was Dakota. She is super dope. Oh my goodness. And we ended up talking about like the times, and she was just like, remember to set your clocks. And me and my friends was looking at her like, what you talking about? Honey, she done broke the news to us talking about we got to spring forward at 2 a.m. My goodness. The look on our faces was like, what? Anyway, we're up and at 'em. Now, if you missed church because you didn't prepare for the spring of the forward, don't worry. I'm going to tell you about what I've been reading in John. Now, I don't know where y'all want to start, but like I said, I've been writing down my notes, okay? So, first of all, if y'all want to see Jesus do some stuff, y'all go to John. Now, he's doing stuff all over this Bible, okay? But if you're a new Bible reader like myself, I need something to, make something shake inside of me. I need to see some stuff right now. And it's been super exciting. Jesus has been showing out. That's all I'm going to say. And if you want to see Jesus show out, you need to come to the book of John. Now, he's probably showing out all over this Bible, but this is the first chapter that I even started reading about the man. Okay. All right. So where do we begin? So, I've been reading Ephesians. I didn't finish Ephesians. Proverbs. I don't know if I finished Proverbs. I got to chapter 13. I can't remember how many chapters in Proverbs. I read Ruth. I read a couple of other books in the Bible, but I recently started taking my notes. So those are just the notes that I have. But this is, like I said, my first encounter with Jesus, and I was so excited because I didn't know I was going to meet him here. But he said, let me go ahead and show myself to her. And he did. So anyway, I first ran into Jesus in John chapter 1. And y'all, the word was with God and the word was God. That's in John chapter 1. I've always heard that verse, but I didn't know where it was at. But if you want to read more about it, go to John chapter 1. Y'all, and this is also where I started meeting the disciples, the first disciples. I think he was talking to John, Andrew, Peter, Philip, and Nathaniel. I was so excited. Now, literally the same time I started reading John, I talked to my friend Tarina. She on my on www.riahsafari.com. Go scroll around and buy yourself what she wearing. She wearing an adjustable bonnet. Go buy you one of them. And she was like, Ebony, if you're excited about meeting the disciples, you need to watch The Chosen on Netflix. Oh, I demolished The Chosen, okay? Now I'm watching it on my mama's Amazon Prime because only season 1 is on Netflix. Season 2 and 3 are on Amazon Prime, and season 4, I think they made into a movie and is on chat and is showing it in the movie theaters. Look at these. Yeah, y'all, I skipped. Not even just one. I think I skipped about 2 in my head. When I was walking out the door, I was unraveling another one. But it's fine. I'm still cute. But yes, John chapter 1 is the first time I saw Jesus in the Bible. And that's when he started reading his disciples. Y'all, chapter 2 is when Jesus turned the water into wine at the wedding. And they was like, this is the best wine they ever had. Now, I've also heard about Jesus turning water into wine. Had no idea it was at a wedding. Had no idea where it was in the Bible. But I found it. Okay. Let me see. Y'all, it was some good stuff in here. I'm just skimming my notes. Y'all, oh, look at these curls, baby. Baby, come on, boing, boing, boing. Watch me bounce. Hey, hey, hey. All right, I didn't even talk about all of John like I wanted to, but wait a minute. Let me tell you about chapter 2. Chapter 2, he also went into a temple when they were using it as a swap meet. Now, I love a swap meet, but I will not go inside Jesus' house, not no temple, for a swap meet sale. First of all, come on now, we got to do better than that. Jesus went in there and started wrecking everything. Okay, he was tearing the club up, okay? Jesus said, not my daddy's house. He said, y'all will not be doing this. Then he turned around and said he could rebuild the temple in 3 days after it's been destroyed. Now, everybody thought he was talking about the actual temple that took, I don't know, probably like years and years to build. But this man was talking about his body, okay? The resurrection, you get what I'm talking about? Jesus be talking in riddles, and he be teaching. That's all I'ma say. But he said he can rebuild the temple in 3 days, talking about his body. I was like, I almost said, hell yeah, Jesus, but you're not supposed to talk like that about the Lord. But I was like, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all, I'm gonna have to tell y'all what the rest of the Bible, or what the rest of John was talking about in the next video, because this one about to end. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that little mini lesson. Now, if you want to see it, he got some other miracles going on in here, but this video really about to end. So I really, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm trying to fix my hair before going to church. I'm always doing my hair right before church, but I'm never late. Hello. Even when I got to be there early, I'm never late, because what I won't be is late to church. I promise you, I will be late anywhere else. I'll even be late to work. I'm never late to work, but you get what I'm saying. I'd rather be late to work than to church. But baby, I'm cute. And again, if you don't want the rubber bands in your hair, take the rubber bands out. I'm keeping them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.